Dear children, here I'm going to explain you how to do the multiplication and division of liquid measurements so that you can estimate the liquid measurements. So this part has been included in your syllabus. So here I'm going to do a kind of a recap because I have done these lessons. So I need to show you how to multiply and divide liquid measurements and also do some estimations of liquid measurements, right? So let's do this now. Here you see multiplication, so I will show you how to multiply. And when you have this kind of thing, you know, the maximum value you can write in the milliliter section is 999 because 1000 milliliters equal to 1 liter. Therefore, in this milliliter section, you need 3 digits. So whenever you get this kind of thing, please make sure that it has 3 digits, right? So for that, I'm going to write this 0. You know, this 25 is same like 0.25, right? This is same, right? So otherwise, if you multiply this way, you will get a wrong answer, right? Therefore, let's start, right? Here, 5 into 5 is 25. So 2 carries. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 1 carries. 5 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So you need to write just like this. And 5 into 4 is 20. So your answer is 20 liters, 125 milliliters. So this is how you multiply, right? Okay. This is how you multiply when you have to multiply both liters and milliliters. Okay, let's go to the second example. This is it. So 4 into 0 is 0. 4 into 5 is 20. So you write 0 and 2 carries. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Right? 12 plus 2 is 14. Then 1 carries. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Right? So you get 9 liters and 400 milliliters. Right? Okay. This is how you multiply when you have liters and milliliters to be multiplied. So when you have only milliliters to be multiplied, I will go with this example, 515 multiplied by 7, right? You get this one, 515 multiplied this one, right? Multiplied by 7, right? So when you have this kind of thing, you have to do like this. Just do like write liters and milliliters. Then you have 515 here and here 0. There's no any liter, right? There are no liters. Therefore, you write 0 here and you have to multiply by 7. You see, 7 into 5 is 35 and 3 carries. 7 into 1 is 7 plus 3 is 10. 0, 1 carries. 7 into 5 is 35. Again, 35 plus 1 is 36. So 3 carries. 7 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. So you get 3 liters, 605 milliliters, right? Okay, so I hope you understand this. How to multiply. I just want to revise how to multiply these liquid measurements, right? Okay, now let's go to the next part, the division of multiplication, and then I will show you how to do the division of liquid I will do the division of liquid measurements, and then I will explain you how to estimate the liquid measurements, liquid quantities like that, right? So let's see the division. In this division, I suggest you go to the log division method, right? You know the log division. So let's try it. Fine. I will take an example from the book, from the textbook itself. So let's take this one, because it is kind of tricky. So you have to use the same method I have taught you, like for you write liters here, you take milliliters here, so you take 50. So if you do not use this zero, you will be in trouble, right? You need to use this zero, because you know that 3 digits can be written in the milliliter section. Right, so let's divide by 3. Let's see how many 3's are there in 4. There's 1, 3. 1 into 3 is 3. Then you subtract 4 minus 3 is 1. And you take this 0. That is 10. For 10, there are 3 3's. So you write 3 here. Right, because you took this 0. This thing, you took this one. You took this one. When the moment you touch this number, you have to give the answer on the milliliter section. So let's go on with this. Now 3 into 3 is 9, and then remain is 1, and then you take this 5, then 15. For 15 you have 5 uh, 5 3's. 3 into 5 is again 15, and then 0, and for this 0 you have 0 3's. So your answer is 4 liters 50 milliliters, right? Okay. Now, the main thing you have to remember here is this 0. You must uh, take this in because it hasn't been given in the question, right? So in case you get this kind of a question, please don't forget to do this, right? So if you do this correctly, you will get, you will be in a better chance, right? Okay. Now let's go to another example. So I will show you how to divide this liquid quantities. So it's something like this: 9, 7, 50. I'm taking this example, right? And this is liters, this is milliliters. So you divide by 3. And how many 3's for 9? That is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. And the remainder is 0. You take this 7. The moment you touch the milliliter section, you have to write the answer in the milliliter section, right? So for 7, you have 2 3's. 2 into 3 is again 6. Then remainder is 1. You take this 5. Then for 15, you have how many 3's? It is 5 3's. 5 into 3 is 15. Your remainder is 0, and then you get this 0, and you have 0 3's. And your answer for this one is 3 liters 750 milliliters. And I have one point you have to remember, that in the exam, when you answer the questions, do not forget to show the rough work. So you must include these parts in your answer sheet. Do not hide them. Do not erase them, and do not write with the pencil. Your answers must not be written with pencils. So I have seen this kind of mispractices among the children. That's why I emphasize this thing to you. So now let's go to the estimation part. Okay, let's see this one. I'm taking from the book itself. The quantity of this is what I'm going to solve. The quantity of 1 liter, 950 milliliters of a perfume is put into 30 small bottles in equal amounts and issued to the market. What quantity of perfume is there in one bottle in milliliters? So let's see. So, see that this is the total amount of the liquid, and it is supposed to be put in 30 milliliters, 30 milliliter bottles. So you have to actually 30 bottles, right? It has to be inserted into 30 bottles. So you need to divide this by 30 to get the quantity of perfume within one bottle. So let's do this. So you take liters, you take milliliters, and write 1 and 950 divided by 30. Okay. Now let's see. For 1, you don't have any 30s. For 19, you don't have any 30s, right? So 195. How many 30s? You get 6 30s. 6 into 30 is 180, right? Okay. And then you subtract, your answer is 5, right? Here you get 5. Okay, you get 5 minus 0 is 5, 9 minus 8 is 1, right? And here you have 0. For 150, you have 5 30s. 5 into 30 is 150. Same, it is here 0. So in one bottle, you get 65 milliliters. So this is the answer, right? You have to write 65 milliliters, and when you write this answer, you must show how you got the answer. That means you have to show the steps of the calculation and also the rough work too. Fine. Okay, now let's go to another example. In this miscellaneous exercises, question number 1, an Ayurvedic syrup is issued to the market in 80 bottles containing 750 milliliters of syrup in a day, right? Okay. Okay, now let's go to these things. Find the total volume of syrup issued in a day. So 80 bottles are issued. So one bottle has 750 milliliters. So you need to multiply this by 80 to get the total quantity of syrup which is issued per day, right? Okay, let's multiply, right? You have milliliters and liters. So 750 by 80. So let's multiply. You see 0 into 0 is 0, 0, 0. When you multiply anything by 0, it is the answer is 0. Okay. And 8 into 0 is 0. 8 into 5 is 40. You write 0. Then 4 carries. 8 into 7 is 56. 56 plus 4 is 60. Then you write 0 here and 6 carries. 8 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. Right? So your answer should be like this. 0, 0, 0, 0, 6. That means 60 liters. Your answer is 60 liters. Right. Okay. Okay, now let's go to the second part of this question. A customer uses a bottle of syrup he purchased for 30 days. He drinks an equal amounts twice a day. So he purchased this for 30 days. So he has to drink 750 milliliters within 30 days, right? So 30 days, he has to drink this within 30 days. So you need to find the amount of syrup he consumes in a day. Right, he consumes in a day. You have to divide this 750 by 30. Let's do that, right? 750 milliliters by 30. For 75, you have two 30s. 2 into 30 is 60. You get 5, 1, and you take this 0, then 150 is there. So there are 5 30s in 150. 5 into 30 is 150. So the answer is 0 here. So you get, he consumes 25 milliliters per day. Actually, this says he drinks an equal amount twice a day. Therefore, he drinks this, that means twice a day. That means he should drink equal amounts twice. So therefore, we need to divide this 25 by, we have to divide this 25 by 2. Let's divide 25 by 2. So let's go to the long division again. 25 divided by 2. Then let's take for 2 there's 1, 1, 2. 1 into 2 is 2. There's 0. Then you take 5. 1 into then you get 2 zeros, two twos. 2 into 2 is 4. Then the remainder is 1. And then you can put the 0 here. And actually, I will show you 2 methods. You can do it this way, right? Let's take here the remainder is 1. Therefore, you can write this. The amount is 12 and half milliliters, right? 12 and half milliliters, right? So the other way you can further do this division. You can put this decimal point here and then add a 0 here. Then for 10 you have 5 0. 5 2s. 5 into 2 is 10. That is 0. So you can write these any of these answers, any of these two answers. It may be 12.5 milliliters or 12 and half milliliters. Both are same, right? So in either way, you can get the answer, right? You can keep the answer. Anyway, you need to know that you have to divide by 2 because this person drinks twice a day in equal amounts. Okay, now let's go to the third part. If the daily production of the syrup is increased to 86 liters, 250 milliliters, how many bottles can be issued in a day? So this 86 liters and 250 milliliters has to be filled into 750 milliliter bottles. So you need to find out how many 750 milliliters are there within 86 liters, 250 milliliters, right? So for that, you need to divide this by 750. So let's divide by 750. So for 8, you have no 750s. For 86, you have no 750s. For 862, you have 750. So you need to write one here, not here. You have to write it here. Let me do it. Okay, fine. You need to write 1 here because for 862, there is 750. So 1 into 750 is 750. So you subtract it. 2 into 2 minus 0 is 2. 6 minus 5 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. Right? So you take this 5 here, then 1125. Right. So 1125, you have 750. 750, let's say 750, right? Then you subtract, this is 5. you take 12 minus 5 is 8. Then you have 7. You have a 0. That means 10 minus 7 is 3. Then you take this 0 here, right? And okay, we have to do one correction here. This I will subtract this again. Let's see. You get 5 minus 0 is 5. You take 1 here. 12 minus 5 is 7. Here you have 0 now. Then 10 minus 0 is 10 minus 7 is 3. Then you take this 0 here. Now 3,750. Right? So we need to find how many 750s are there. 3,750. Right? So for that you have 5 750s, right? 5 into 750 is 3,750 here with 0. So therefore here you can produce 115 bottles, right? This is the answer, right? So I hope you understand this, and please practice what you have learned. And I have given you questions, and I have explained you the things, and I have made you write the answers in your text, in your writing book. So please do them again, practice them again, and get the best marks for your term test. And I wish you all the best for your term test. So practice this again by yourself, and repeat the process, right? So do the things again and again, so you get good practice, so that you can get good marks, and also you can get better in your education, right? So okay, so I stop here. So thank you for watching, and see you soon.